Nellie. Welcome to English for Mum. We're here to help you learn English in a fun way. With interactive lessons and daily practice, you'll improve fast. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to our story. Today, we'll explore A Boy Raised by Machines. This city is full of amazing tech. Let's go! Follow me!
On a quiet street in a bright, modern city, a baby boy was born.
His name was Edmen.
Edmen is perfect.
Look at him, so peaceful.
He's got your eyes.
And your smile.
I love you both so much. Edmen had everything. His nursery was a place of wonder, filled with toys that came to life. Every day was a new adventure. His room had a smart crib that rocked him to sleep. The machine warmed his milk at the perfect temperature.
Lights turned on and off by themselves. I thought it was my imagination. But then I saw the shadows move. Now they're off again. What's happening?
Everything worked perfectly.
Goo-goo?
All systems are optimal.
Ah!
Proceeding with the next phase.
Baba! Everything except something.
As Edmen grew older, machines helped him learn.
Wow, the numbers are moving! 3, 5, 7! This is so much fun! I love learning with my tablet!
And so, the brave knight ventured into the enchanted forest.
Wow, what did he find?
He found a magical creature that granted wishes.
Really? I wish we could go on an adventure.
We will.
Wow, it answered all my questions. That's amazing. I can finally relax now. Thanks for everything! Why is the sky blue? I wonder what makes it that color. Maybe the clouds have something to do with it. So beautiful. Whoa, look at all the light moving! It's light scattering. The light hits particles in the air. Oh, like the sky. That's so cool. Exactly. Let's see more.
But they were never warm.
Mom? Dad?
Just a second, Edmen.
We're busy right now.
But I need help!
But sometimes, at night, when the screen went dark, his room felt very big, very quiet, very empty.
One evening, the power went out. The little robot was surprised. It checked its systems and had an idea. Determined, it walked off to explore the dark.
I feel so alone.
A few minutes later, his mother came into his room holding a candle.
Without the screens, let's have a real adventure.
Okay, Mom.
Once upon a time in a land of magic, there lived a young boy who discovered a hidden door.
What was behind it?
A world of wonders.
For the first time, he didn't just hear a story. He felt it.
Can you tell me another one? Of course! Which one would you like?
The pirate adventure!
It all started on a sunny day.
With the treasure map?
Exactly!
He was no longer just raised by machines. He was raised by love.
Wow, that's a great story! It's very sweet, isn't it? Can we read some more?
Of course.
他不再只是被机器养大。
他是的，我们的爱让他茁壮成长。
我爱你们。
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next up, vocabulary. Let's break down some interesting words we just encountered. being physically and emotionally there with someone. 陪伴不仅是人在，更是用心陪伴。It's about being present, truly connecting, and making them feel seen and 陪伴。突然停电了，电器和灯光都停止了运作。看看周围，所有的灯都灭了，整个城市都陷入了黑暗。A time when the electricity suddenly stops working. To take the place of something or someone.
Oh, I get it.
Exactly. Let's try it.
Okay. High five. Great job.
An assistant is a person or device that helps you do something. For example, your phone's voice assistant can help you set reminders. Assistants make life easier. Connection means a feeling of closeness or understanding between people. In Chinese, it's 情感联系, which refers to the close relationships between people. It's about feeling connected, understanding each other. That's the power of connection.
今天我们将学习一些新的英语单词。
哇，好多泡泡。
点击 connection， 它意味着情感联系。很好，再试试 assistant 这个词。
Assistant 助手。
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. It's time for our Q&A session. I'm so excited to hear from you all. Let's get started. Who's first? Where did Edmen live? A, in a small village. B, on a quiet street in a bright modern city. C, in a forest. D, on a farm. What's your answer? The answer is B, on a quiet street in a bright modern city. Let's take a closer look. Follow me down this vibrant street. Who read bedtime stories to Edmen before the blackout? Was it A, his mother, B, his father, C, a robot, or D, his teacher? Think carefully. The answer might surprise you. The answer is C, a robot. Robots are machines designed to perform tasks automatically. They can be simple or complex, and they're changing our world. The future is exciting! What lesson did the main character learn? Was the main character excited, angry, alone, or sleepy? Think about the story and choose the best answer. Good luck! The answer is C, alone. It was the only one without a partner. Pretty clever, right? What did Edmen's mother use during the blackout? Was it a flashlight, a candle, a phone, or a table? Think about it and make your choice. The answer is C, alone. This is the solution to our problem. Let's take a walk and I'll explain more. The key is to stay focused. What changed after that night? A, Edmen stopped using technology completely. B, the machine stopped working forever. C, his parents began spending more time with him. The answer is C. His parents began spending more with him. This extra time and attention made all the difference. A great example of how quality time matters. What is the main message of the story? Is it that technology is bad, or that machines are smarter? Maybe that information beats love, or that machines can't replace presence. The answer is D. Love and presence cannot be replaced by machines. Technology can do many things, but it cannot replicate the warmth of a human heart. It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson!